individuals who allegedly participated in protests against President Mnangagwa earlier this month were denied bail on Monday in the Arraignment State Court. Sabina mashoko kudai ngawachinzi anti-Mnangagwa protesters denied bail panguva ino vari ine process yekunzi kugeza nyika. Anodibva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda munawo mu the Zim aya vamudanyira chiti the protesters are reported to have taken part in the demonstrations following calls by war veteran Blessed Geza, who personally urged the citizens to stage mass protests against what he described as President Mnangagwa's attempts to manipulate the constitution to extend his term of office to 2030. During Monday's proceedings, the state opposed the bill, citing the seriousness of the charges and the possibility that the accused could participate in further demonstrations. Outside the court, a human rights activist condemned the denial of bail, describing it as an attempt to intimidate citizens who are exercising their constitutional right to protest. These individuals were peacefully responding to calls for action by war veteran Geza, the activist said. Denying them bail is a clear signal that dissent will not be tolerated, but it will not stop Zimbabweans from standing up for their rights. Human rights observers have expressed concern over the arrests, warning that targeting protesters could escalate tensions and undermine democratic freedoms in the country. The court case is expected to continue in the coming weeks, with the accused remaining in custody as legal proceedings unfold. Though my developments are people who are exercising their rights, protester, petition, and they are being captured. Vanga wasiri involved in violent protests. They were just exercising their rights, vachimirira pachokwadi kana zvanofunga kuti zviitwe munyika. Panguva ine tona kwakunzi vonyengwa bail. Chitiko chonekwa kunzi even ma civil society, pamwechete ma citizens, they've condemned the move. Chonekwa kunzi the rule under ZANU-PF panguva ino it is very very oppressive. Vanoita sevanhu vasingazivi mutemo asi vachiuziva zvavo, but their goal ndekusuppressa dissent kuti vakwanise kuatena zvanenge vachida. Pinda kumesection medu zvafungiro aimot kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.